Hello everybody, this is AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a video on how to use 3 essential tools when buying physical gold and silver. These 3 items are so important that if you get fake gold or silver, these 3 items can help determine if it's real or fake. So please look at the description below and if you want to buy them, but let's jump into that video right now. During this video I will be using a 10-ounce silver bar from Atmex. So now we're going to weigh the 10-ounce Troy bar. It should comes out to about 311 grams. Comes out to 312 grams. And next we're going to show you how to measure it. So now I'm going to show you how to measure your silver bar. And the reasoning for it is that when you get your silver bars, you want to check to see if the length, the width, and the height are up to the parameters that you bought it with. You don't want to get a fake bar. So on our first measurements, we want to see if it's up to par. It's about 52 millimeters. That's what the website says about it. Our next measurement should be around 91 millimeters. That's about 90 millimeters. Our last measurement, we're going to be measuring this portion of it, the height. It should be around 7.4 millimeters. And you can see 7.4 millimeters. And that's how you measure a silver bar. So now for this portion of the video, we're going to prove if this silver bar's length, width, and height are actually true from what we measured in with the digital ruler. And what this is an ultrasonic thickness gauge. And what this does is send a waveform through the metal and it indicates how thick that portion is. And we're going to prove that for the silver bar. So our 10-ounce silver bar. We measured this portion right here was about 6 millimeters. We're going to turn our gauge, let it calibrate. Now this is very important, this portion right here. So if we're going to measure our silver bar, we have to have the right waveform going through the silver bar, and for this it's 3,600. Okay? And we're going to put our silicone gel on there so we can get an even measurement on our bar. Okay. Now, if you see how we applied it right here, and our measurement comes to about 6.5. So what that is doing is sending us a waveform through this metal indicating the length of it, which is 6.5. So we can do the same thing to the edges too, and all around the bar. And one of the big reasons we do this for buying silver, gold, or different types of bullion is to make sure that the silver or the material is actually pure. So when we're measuring this portion of it right now, this portion of it, it comes to 87.9 millimeters, which is pretty close to our measurement. So it's pretty pure silver bar. Now, thank you for watching the video on how to use the ultrasonic thickness gauge, the digital ruler, and digital scale. Also, like I said, if you're on the main website, please pick them up from the shopping area, and or look at the link below if you're watching this video from YouTube. Thank you so much. Good luck stacking, and let's go.